One of the most fascinating new phenomenon of the internet is the unboxing videos on YouTube. A video of someone unboxing a new procurement or acquisition. Think about this. Why will someone want to watch another person unbox something they purchased? I think I can understand why someone will want to post such a video. But what I'm having difficulties understanding is why someone will want to watch another unwrap a new acquisition. Why will someone want to sit glued to the screen with pupils dilated, watching Sapoma unbox her newly acquired iPhone 13.5W? What is the pleasure in this that makes these videos popular, racking up over 850 million views? If you go to the beginning of this video and listen carefully, you would realize I call this a new phenomenon. But it's actually not. It's an old truth in a different form. Long before YouTube unboxing videos, God gave humans a seed. In this seed, He hid despite groups of companies, Uber, Digari, Amazon, Apple, and what have you. And He gave one command and a series of instructions. His command was unbox. The Bible chose to use the words be fruitful. Notice it does not say be seedful. It says be fruitful. I have already given the seed, unbox it. This seed is a miniature miracle. In this seed is not a tree, but a forest. God took the forest and hid it in this seed and programmed it, and He created 7 billion potential viewers who are waiting to sit glued to the screen with pupils dilated, waiting to watch you unbox the seed so that we can see its content. I told you it's not a new phenomenon, but rather an old marvel in a new form. This year, 2020, we are waiting to see the content of your box, the content of your seed. Forget New Year resolutions. Unbox your gift. We are waiting with our pupils dilated.